Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the app is actually installed where Mac OS expects it, /applications or your user applications folder. Open Finder and click Applications in the sidebar so you can see the canonical app file. If the app is still sitting in downloads, move it into /applications now. This avoids permission or path issues later. Once the app appears in Applications, you're ready to create a home screen shortcut or add it to the dock for quick access. Now you create the visible shortcut. To pin to the dock, click and drag the app icon from Applications to the dock's application area. Make sure you drop it left of the divider near trash. If you prefer a desktop icon, make an alias with Command+L or right-click the app and choose Make Alias, then move that alias to your desktop. For Launchpad, open Launchpad and drag the app into place, or open it once and it will appear automatically for easier access. Finish by arranging icons to your liking. Drag dock icons to reorder and remove unwanted ones by dragging them out of the dock until you see Remove. If the app does not show up, try restarting the dock with Terminal. Type Kill Dock and press Enter. The dock reloads and often fixes display issues. If Launchpad or Spotlight still fails to find the app, rebuild the Launchpad database or reindex Spotlight to refresh system metadata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.